All right, that was just my smoked sausage. I'm gonna bring it over here and slide it right into my greased crock pot. Oh, that sausage smells so good already, you guys. I have some diced potatoes. This is 2 drained 14.5 ounce cans. But wait, there's more. I have a 3rd can of diced potatoes right in there, you guys. We have some red onion diced. We just want to add about 1/2 cup of diced red onion. You can use whatever onions you like though. I have 2 tablespoons of melted butter. I'm just going to pour that gently all over everything, drizzle it nicely on top. I have some garlic powder. I'm going to do a nice, generous amount of garlic powder on here, you guys. We have some onion powder. I love onion and garlic powder, so I'm putting a lot, but put however much your heart desires. We have minced onion, and we're just going to do a nice amount of that as well. I love onions, so I'm doing minced onion and fresh onions, you guys. We have some salt. I got this cute salt shaker online. I love it. I also have a pepper shaker of this one, and I'm going to do a nice amount of pepper on here. Do your salt and pepper to taste. Okay, and now I'm going to take a spoon and I'm going to give everything a nice mix so it can get coated with those seasonings and that butter. Oh yeah, this smells divine. I cannot tell you how good this smells right now, and it's going to taste even better. This is going to be such an easy winter, fall comfort food crock pot dinner, you guys. All right, everything looks, ooh, flying onions. Everything looks nicely coated here. Let's go in with our cheese, please. We have Colby Jack. We're going to add a lot of Colby Jack, you guys, almost like this whole bag, and this is about 2 cups. And then I also have some mild cheddar cheese, and we're just gonna do the same thing. Add almost that whole bag. Beautiful. You can use whatever cheese you like. You can use Monterey, mozzarella, whatever you like. And then I have some cheddar cheese soup from Campbell's. Gonna put that right in there. Oh yeah, you hear that? That's how you know it's coming out, when it makes the gluck noise. All right, that was a 10.5 ounce can. Gonna get a spatula. And I am just going to scoop it right out of here, all that yummy goodness. Don't want to waste any of this. Oh yeah. Yeah, I don't like wasting. I know that it's not polite to waste, so I am using all of this soup. Okay. There we go. That is pretty clean, right? Yeah. Okay. Give this another quick mix just to get this nice and combined. Oh my gosh, you guys. This is just so hearty. It's going to be so good. You can serve this with a nice salad, nice side of veggies. Okay. Now that we've got that nicely mixed, whew, it's a little bit of a workout, but I am telling you, it is so worth it. Get all your cheese off the sides. Maybe don't be as messy as me. My goodness. Okay. And then we just have some milk. Very simple. We just need about 1/2 cup of milk here. So not too much. This is a 16 ounce bottle. So I don't want to use, I want to use less than half of this, so that's good. And then we just need to give that another quick mix so everything is nicely combined. Oh my gosh, that milk is just gonna make it nice and creamy, you guys. Mixing in with that soup and that butter and all those yummy seasonings. Oh my gosh, okay. Okay, everything looks wonderfully coated here. Alrighty, you guys, that is everything we are going to be adding to our cheesy sausage potato casserole. What else would you add to this? Tell me, what would you do differently? I am curious. Okay, now that we've got that all beautifully combined, we're gonna grab our lid, put that on the top, and we are just going to cook this on high for about 3 to 4 hours. All right, guys, it has been 3 hours. We have turned off our crock pot. Let's open this bad boy up. Oh, wow, that smells really good, you guys. I am going to bring in some chives. I did wash these, and I'm just gonna take the whole bunch right out of here. Grab my kitchen shears, and let's flip this around and start chopping away right on top. Oh yeah, there we go. You can totally add your favorite toppings to this, just for some color, extra taste, but do be careful because the crock pot is hot. So try not to touch your crock pot while you are doing this step. Okay, we have lots of chives to put on here because me and my family, we love chives, you guys. What kind of toppings would you guys put on this? Would you put chives too, or would you go with something a little bit different? Let me know because I am very interested. That looks so good, you guys. Oh my gosh, I need to try some. I think I'm gonna go for this part right here. Whoa, look at that. Cheesy potatoes with smoked sausage in the crock pot. Oh, yes. Okay. This just looks so good. It smells so good, you guys. Oh my goodness. It is hot though, so you are gonna need to blow on this before you eat it, okay? Mmm. Oh my gosh. Mmm. Mmm. That's so good, you guys.